Welcome to our channel. Today we're investigating how a key fob works. These small, convenient devices have become an essential part of modern driving and home security. Let's uncover the mystery behind these handy gadgets. Key fobs operate through a combination of radio frequency identification and encryption technology. Each fob contains a unique identifying code and a tiny radio transmitter. When you press a button on the fob, such as unlocking your car door, the device sends a specific signal to the corresponding receiver in your car. This receiver processes the signal, recognizing the unique code as a match, and triggers the desired action, like unlocking the door or even starting the engine. But how does the car ensure the signal is legitimate? That's where encryption comes into play. Modern key fobs use rolling code algorithms. This means that each time you press the button, the fob sends a different code. Both the fob and the car have synchronized algorithms that generate these codes, making it nearly impossible for someone to intercept and duplicate the signal. Another critical component of key fobs is the battery. These batteries can last several years, but when the battery weakens, you may experience reduced transmission range or delayed response times. Replacing the battery is a simple task, typically involving opening the fob's casing and swapping in a new battery. Apart from cars, key fobs are also used in buildings for secure access to restricted areas. They operate on similar principles, ensuring that only authorized personnel gain entry. In some new models, keyless entry systems allow you to keep the fob in your pocket. As you approach the vehicle, proximity sensors detect the fob signal and unlock the door automatically. Starting the car is just a press of a button away. In conclusion, key fobs are a perfect blend of convenience and security. Understanding their workings not only provides insight into the technology, but also highlights the ongoing innovation in ensuring our everyday safety and ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more intriguing tech insights.